What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It is your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. It's currently about 2:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and believe it or not, the markets have come down a little bit, a decent amount actually, here intraday. Triple Q's gone from 3:30. That was at about 10:20 a.m. on the East Coast. Now it's at 3:25. It was up about earlier in the day at that point where it hit 3:30. It was up 1.4%. Now Triple Q's down 0.25%. We have SPY, which was at, let's see here, I think it was at 425. Now SPY is at 421. It is down intraday about 0.8%, although it's still up 0.3% on the day. We could see here the Dow Jones up 0.3% on the day as well, as the Russell currently is up 0.75%, doing the best. And look at that. Fun fact is the Russell hit over 2,000 earlier in the day for the first time in a couple of months. We can see here in, 4 months since the middle of April. You know, that's the last time Russell was over 2,000. So we're going to break down the markets in this video. You guys know the drill. And by the way, my throat's a little bit wonky right now. Maybe I'm sick. Who the heck knows? I might have a little bit of a cold, but we're still going to be bumping through this video. So if I sound a little bit weird, if I have to take a little water break, it's because my throat's a little wonky, guys, but we're going to get through the video. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and get your 10 stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit and your 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. All those are linked down below. And with that being said, let's talk. So let's go to SPY. SPY's currently up, like I said, a little bit, 0.2, 0.3% roughly. And if it wants me to get it on here, come on, there we go. You guys can see SPY's now cooling off a little bit, from the intraday high. And it kind of makes sense, considering we recently blew through that 418 level of resistance. SPY got all the way up to about 425 earlier in the day, like I said. So it was up a ton, guys. It had kind of a blow-off top rally. Now we're coming back a little bit. We're pulling down, and we're going to be testing, in my opinion, this is a level to watch. We got to watch around 418 to about 420. That was the high point from the end of May heading into June, and that looks like, that's the next point that we're going to test, at least that I'm looking at here, that I'm seeing here on the 4-hour chart and on the 20-day chart. You guys can see it. That is right by the moving averages, 418, 19, 17, that general area. So watch out for that point on the downside here for SPY. And Triple Q, let's pull that up. Triple Q is up. That's the wrong one. Hold on, guys. My bad. I'm putting in the wrong ticker symbols in here today. What's going on with me, guys? We can see Triple Q is down 0.4% now, and it didn't break out. The thing here is on this one, guys, it didn't break out of 330, it seems like today, which was the high from the end of April or early May. So that's not the best sign for the bulls, but the fact that, come on, we're still above the 50. We're well above the 180 SMA. That shows that the bulls are still in charge. So at this point, again, we got rejected at 330. Now we're back in the mid-320s. We're breaking under that EMA on the 4-hour. We're probably going to be going down towards 320, guys, right by the 50 SMA, maybe down here towards 318, 319. That's where this could be going. So we're getting rejected, top of the channel. We're probably going back to the bottom by the looks of it, guys. So, yeah, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments about Triple Q, SPY. Let's take a look at what's going on here in the metals. Gold's down 0.6%. Oh, that's not looking good. Silver's down about 2.4%. So, red day today for the metals. And let me pull up Coinbase and see what's going on here with crypto. It looks like, oh, wow, the market, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but here it says the market is up 1.8%. So the crypto market today is up 1.8%. Not too bad. Bitcoin is at 24.2. It's up 1.8%. And wow, Ethereum. Jeez, guys. Ethereum, I know you can't see it, but it is pushing 1,900. It's up 3.3% as I'm filming this video at about 235. And oh, wow, look at this. I'm looking at the chart here. Again, you probably can't see it. But this thing hit mid-1900s, and did we not call this out? I've been saying Ethereum, if it broke past 17, 1800, well, mostly 17, 2000 will be the next leg up. And look, that's pretty much where we're going right now on Ethereum. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button if you haven't done so already, and subscribe. It really helps me out overall in the good old YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, guys, let's break down some stocks. Let's break down some stocks until my voice gives out. Let's do that now. So AMC's up another 7% on the day. You can't make this stuff up, guys. So we ran up recently. You know this. We had a blow off top rally. We broke out of the channel. We hit $20. Blow off top rallied up to about 27. Then we pulled back. Look at this pullback here, guys. 25% pullback. That was when was this? It looks like today's what? Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We pulled back. And we got buyers coming in. Really, it was the latter half of yesterday, Wednesday. And today, it being Thursday, we're breaking out again. So we got the blow-off top rally out of the channel. We got the profit taking as expected, right? We got the retest. Now we're getting another rally. And by the looks of it, guys, no joke, the way this is setting up, especially if we take the highs out from earlier this week, 27 roughly dollars a share, we're probably going to go to 30. That's what I'm thinking. We're probably going to go to 30 on AMC, which was the high from a couple months ago. That was in the end of March. You guys can see here we hit 30, 31, 32. So keep your eyes on that point for AMC. Those two levels actually, 27, $30. Very critical here in the short term to the upside at least on AMC. And let's see what GameStop's doing. And let me get a little water while we're at it, guys. All right, GameStop is at $40 a share. It is down 1.2% as I'm filming this, and by the looks of it, it tried getting that break. Well, it did break out momentarily. It got to about 48, but it didn't hold at all. It held barely, and now we're back to the low 40s. It looks like we're back in this channel very clearly. You know, we're back to these moving averages. So where we are now, low mid 30s, high 30s, low 40s. This is where I think buyers could come in for round two. No joke. Well, maybe not round two, but whatever round it is, for another rally, you know, because we got the big pop, kind of like with AMC, and then we got the profit taking on GameStop, like we did with AMC. But now on AMC, and this is a step ahead of GameStop right now, in my opinion, we're already getting that breakout. Like I said, GameStop, we're not getting that quite yet. We got the pullback, but now we're waiting for that run up yet again, which I believe a run up back to the mid 40s, high 40s is definitely possible. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but in due time, by the looks of it, at least as of now, it is possible. So GameStop, AMC, let's see what else we got going on today. Let's see what else is moving. Macy's is up 7%. Oh, look at that. Macy's is slowly starting to break out, finally, of these moving averages for the first time here on the 4-hour chart since the beginning of, when was that? What month? June. So that's starting to look decent. All right. Snapchat is starting to move as well, which is one that I personally own. And I've said before, time and time again, I'm down a crap ton on Snapchat stock, but it's all good, guys. We can't win every single stock. That's completely impossible. Let's see what else we got going here. JWN, Nordstrom, up 5%. LVS, Las Vegas Sands, up on the day as well. This is up a little bit over 3%. What's big tech doing? I'm not seeing any big tech here on my watch list. And the green part of my watch list, which makes sense, I guess, considering the NASDAQ is now going red. It's down 0.4%. Let's see, we have Tesla down 2%, so Tesla's coming down. This probably will come down maybe towards that 180 moving average, you know, low 800s, high 700s, definitely possible. We have Google down. Honestly, I want Google to go under $100, guys. I really want this thing to get hit under 100. Now, will it happen? Who knows? But that's where I'm going to be buying more. I've said that before. I'll say it again. And I'm just sitting here holding on, waiting patiently with my Google for my next, buy price where I'm going to add more shares. And it looks like a lot is going red right now. PayPal's going red. Visa, AMD, it looks like. And if we roll back over here to SPY, let's pop the intraday chart up. Are we getting any signs of buying pressure heading into the next hour and a half, or the last hour and a half, rather? We're not quite yet. So I'm going to leave it off right here with this last point, guys. As we're getting into Power Hour, I'm going to wrap this video up, upload it, you're watching it. As we're getting into Power Hour, we got to see whether or not we get that breakout rally, rather, into the close. Because what we're noticing here on the 5-day, especially if we zoom in on SPY, we are actually, we've been selling for the last hour and a half from 423 on SPY down to 420 and a half. We took the lows out, which is huge from earlier in the day. So if we get down maybe to 419.50 or 420, fine. We are going to be at an oversold spot on the intraday chart. And last time we got oversold a couple of hours ago, we had a little bit of a rally. We ran 0.4, almost 0.5%. So I feel like this could be setting up. I could be wrong. We'll loop back. Make sure to subscribe for my later video. We'll talk about it. I could be wrong, but it might be setting up for a run into the close. We have to wait and see. Same thing here on Triple Q. You know, it hit a lower low here on the day. Let's see if we end up running at some point in the next, couple of minutes, 10, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, hour and a half. Let's see how it plays out. So I'm going to wrap it up there. Leave you guys with that. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe. Make sure to check out my Patreon if you guys want all my buy, sells, call outs, morning videos, real-time access to me. That is linked down below. And don't forget to also get your 10 stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit. Literally free money, guys. And your 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. All those free stocks are linked down below. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.